In this video, you'll learn how to create custom templates using Notion AI. By following these steps, you will have a personalized template tailored to your specific needs. Begin by navigating to the Notion website by entering notion.so in your browser's address bar. Once you reach the home page, you will see various options and features available to you. Familiarizing yourself with this interface is crucial as it serves as the starting point for your template creation. Next, locate and click on the Notion AI option. This feature is typically found in the sidebar or main menu. After clicking, the AI interface will load, providing you with tools and prompts to assist in creating your custom templates. Once the AI interface appears, you will see a prompt that says, "How can I help you today?" Click on this prompt to initiate your template creation process. This interaction allows you to communicate your specific needs to Notion AI. Now, type in a custom request such as Project Planner into the input field. After entering your request, press enter or click the submit button. The AI will process your input and generate relevant suggestions based on your request. After the suggestions appear, look for the option labeled Project Plan Template and click on it. This selection will take you to a pre-designed template that you can further customize according to your requirements. At this stage, you will have access to the template layout. Personalize the template by modifying the text, sections, and any other elements as needed. This step is essential to ensure that the template aligns with your specific project. Next, input the relevant details needed for your project within the template. This can include tasks, deadlines, and any other information pertinent to your project management. Ensure that all necessary fields are filled out to maximize the utility of your template. Now, you may want to add a cover image to your template. Find the option to add cover and click on it. This will enhance the visual appeal of your template to make it more engaging. To change the cover, click on the Change Cover option. This action will prompt you with several options for cover images, allowing you to select one that fits your template's theme. Next, select as a library of high-quality images, browse through the available images, and choose one that you find suitable for your template. The selection will enhance the overall aesthetic of your project planner. After selecting your cover image, you can proceed to add an icon to your template. Look for the Add Icon option and click on it. This icon will provide a visual representation of your template's purpose. Choose an icon that resonates with the theme of your project. You will be presented with various options. Select one that best suits your needs. This step helps in visually categorizing your template. Next, select the color of your chosen icon. This option will typically appear as a color palette or drop-down menu. Pick a color that complements your template design and enhances its visual appeal. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.